How AI helped me work less without losing myself. AI can make your life easier or make you feel replaceable. I learned how to use it without losing authenticity, and today I'm sharing the balance that helped me reclaim time and purpose. When AI tools exploded, I thought, great, one more thing to learn. I was overwhelmed and worried it would replace human connection. I really felt that way. Hi, for those that don't know me, I'm Holly, and I started over at 70, debt, doubt, and all. What I've learned is that AI doesn't have to replace you. It can support you if you stay intentional. Here's how it balanced and how I balance it. One, use AI for repetition, not representation. Let it handle tasks, not your voice. Two, let it save time, not steal it. Give yourself back 2-3 hours a day. Number three, keep the heart in your message. Tech can't fake truth or empathy. It's not human. Have you ever felt like technology is moving faster than you can keep up? Comment below. I read every reply. AI gave me my peace back, not because it did everything, but because it freed me to do what matters, connecting with people, that human feel and touch. If you're curious how I built a 2-hour workday that actually works with AI instead of against it, the steps are in my description. Free to read, no pressure. See next how this all fits together. Watch how I built freedom at 70, and you can too. Watch that next. It connects everything you learned here into a very clear path you can follow at your own pace. Here's a quote I love. Use tools to build time, not cages.